बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। Welcome my dear student in Dar-e-Arqam school. Today we are going to start our math lesson of class 5. Now open page number 3, exercise 1A. Question number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 12. You people done to your countdown book. Okay, now we start question number 1. The question number 1 is fill in the blanks. In the international system, 1 million is a dash digit. Check unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So million in 1 million have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 million have 7 digit. The B part is the place value of a ring digit is the place value of ring digit is 5. So you put the place value unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So the ring digit place value is million. Now the C part is complete the sequence. The first one is 3503 186 and the next number is 35030 okay, and the D part is the number 50,000 more than 261,835,500. You can add this value plus 50,000. So the answer is 261885500. Now the E part is the place value of 9 in the number is. So you this is the value. You can put the place value unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the place value of 9 is 900 million. So we start the question number 2. The question number 2 is state whether the following are true or false. The A part is as per the international place value chart 6198475086 is written as this one with using space. Yeah, you can take the 3 digit, last 3 digit, then this 3 digit, then 3 digit, and then last one is 6. So this is the same. So it's true. Next is the B part. The number 200 less than 426982110 is 4269820. So it is false because 200 is less, and so its answer is false. Next is the C part. The smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. No, the smallest 9-digit number is has the 100 million. This one unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the 100 million. So it's a 10 million. So it's false. Next is D part. The value of the ring digit is 781931556. The ring digit is 1. So put the place value unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Yes is a 100,000. So it is true. Next is E part. In the international system, this term is written as, yes, you can take the first 3, then this 3, then this 3, and then this 3 and last one. So but it has 4 digit. No, it is false. This is the correct international system spacing. Okay, so it is false. Now the question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. The A part is 3,735,205 in figure is. You can write this in figure. You can put the place value unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. To say 3,735,000. This one and 205. So its option is correct. Next is B part. In international place value chart TME, TM stand for 10 million. Next is C part. 200 million is a 200 million is a dash digit, 7 digit, 8, 9, 5. The 200 million have 9 digit. This is the example unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So total digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now open page number 4, part B. Which of the given number matches with the expand form? This is the expand form. You can add both the term. The answer is 6056,725. You can add this all the terms, and then the answer is this. Next is 9786120016 written in the international system. You can take 3 digit, then this 3 digit, then this 3 digit, and this 9. So you can written in this form 9786120016. Okay. Now the question number 5. Question number 4, you can written in the notebook, inshallah, in the next lecture. You can solve the question number 5. The question number 5 is write the number in the figure given the space correctly according to international system. Okay. The first is A part 1,900,000. First you write the place value unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So the 1 million put here 900,000. This is the correct spacing and also written in the numbers. And the second one is B part 840 million. This unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 800 million, 800 million and 40 million, 800 million and 40 million. And then you can write 00 also. And the C part is 700 million. So you can write the place value unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 700 million, you write 700 million. Next is question number 6. Write the number in the figure given the space correctly. You can write this number in the correct assembly. You can start in the end part. You take 3 digit and also write the spacing. There U 2 905 384 356. This is the correct spacing. Next, same has the B part C and D. You can take the last 3 digit, fifth 3 digit, and then this is the correct form. Same has the C part and same has the D part. And now the question number 8. Question number 8 is write the number in the figure given the space correctly. 2,500,000. You can write the place value billion, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and the billion. You put this number in here and you can write with the correct spacing also. Same has this process, same this and this. And then let's suppose 5,740 million. You can also write in this form. And 8,600,000. You can write the place value and then put the values in here and also write in the space correct. That's it. Let's suppose unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. 8 billion, you put 8 in, and under the billion 600,000. So you can put 6 in the 100,000 and you all the term you put zeros also. Same has the D part. You can write first the place value, then also put the digit here, and you can also write in the correct spacing. So the question number 9. The question number 9 is write the place value of the ring digit. The place value of 7, you put the place value unit 10, 100,000, 10,000. So the answer is 70,000. Next is B part 10909000605. The ring digit is 9. You put the unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and the 10 million. So the ring digit, the place value is 90 million. So the C part is the ring digit value is 5, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So the ring digit value is 500,000. Next is D part 8 ring digit values, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So the value of ring digit is 8 million. Next is E part. E part, the ring digit value is 1, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. The place value of ring digit 1 is 1 billion. Last part F is the ring digit value is 5. So unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. The place the ring digit value is the place value of the ring digit 5 is 500 million. Now open page number 5. Last question, question number 12. You can solve question number 12 on a book. Question number 12 is write the predecessor of the following number. Predecessor means subtract minus 1. All the part you can subtract minus 1. The first is 999,999,000. This is you can subtract minus 1. So the answer is 999,998,991. The next is B part 1456789,001. You can subtract minus 1. The answer is 1456789,000. Same as the C part, you can subtract minus 1. The answer is 4000300099. So the last part is D part, you can subtract minus 1. The answer is 2488908. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.